All right, hey sixth graders, for this problem, we are going to do some equations. So it says lists the densities of common materials at 20 degrees Celsius. If a scientist has 10 grams of each material, which material has the greatest volume? So I'm looking at this problem and I know that the information that we have is the density. We have a density of each item because we have a density table. We know the material and we know that there are 10 grams of each, which is our mass. So if I look at my triangle and I say I have density equals mass divided by volume, then I am going to cover up the volume because that's what I'm trying to find. So volume equals mass divided by density. And I'm going to look at each of my materials. My first material is gasoline. Gasoline has a mass of 10 grams and a density of 0.70 grams per centimeter cubed. So then I'm going to figure out what is the density of that object, which gives me 14 centimeters cubed. All right, then you're going to figure out what is the density what is the volume of the next item, material. So I have mercury, and again, I'm using that same equation. Volume equals mass divided by density, and I know that I have a mass of 10 grams and a volume of 13.6 grams per centimeter cubed, and I'm going to figure out what is the volume of my mercury by dividing 10 divided by 13.6 to get 0.73 centimeters cubed. All right, sixth graders, you are going to continue doing that until you find the volume of each of the materials, and then you are going to decide which one is the greatest.